Hi everyone, Donna here with Bookkeeping Made Simple. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the top 3 mistakes small business owners make in their bookkeeping. And before I get started, of course, as always, if you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe, share the show. We are available on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon, and I think iTunes. So with that said, being a small business owner is hard enough without having to worry about your bookkeeping. But whether you like it or not, keeping track of your finances is a critical part of running a successful business. That's why it's so important to avoid making common bookkeeping mistakes that can trip you up. We are going to explore 3 of the most frequent blunders so that you can avoid them at all costs. Number 1, not keeping financial records. One of the most important things you can do for your business is to keep regular financial records. This means tracking all of your income and expenses on at least a monthly basis. We work on a weekly basis so that you are always kept up to date. This does mean tracking all of your income and expenses. It means keeping important documents like receipts and invoices organized. We provide a space on our server for our clients to be able to upload all of these documents so that if anything happens, we have electronic copies of them. Without these records, it's going to be difficult to track your progress or make informed about English is the language that I know, or make informed decisions about your business. And if the IRS comes to your door, keep in mind, they never call. They will send you a few letters and then they will show up at your door if you don't answer them. If you have all of your records on our server or properly organized, you will have them in the event of an audit, and then you won't have to worry. Number 2, failing to separate personal and business expenses. I harp on this all the time. Commingling funds is what we call it. This can lead to serious problems at tax time, and it's a complete headache for us, the accountants, to try to reconcile your banks and your books and make sure everything's in correctly. So in order to avoid this mistake, first thing I tell everybody, open a separate business bank account. It is going to save you so much trouble. And then if you need to spend personal money, spend your personal expenses out of your personal account, spend your business expenses out of your business account. And if you need to transfer some back and forth, that's fine. But we need to be able to look at your books, look at your bank accounts, and see what's going on easily. And then you won't have any unwanted surprises. IRS gets a little touchy if you commingle funds, honestly. The third one is a huge mistake that I see here in Utah all the time. I don't think it's quite as prevalent in other parts of the country, but it is trying to do it all yourself. I don't even do my own books because I have so much else going on. Unless you have a lot of experience with bookkeeping or accounting, you're going to make mistakes. And even those of us that have a lot of experience in bookkeeping and accounting are going to make mistakes. And if you don't know how to avoid them and you don't know how to correct them, those mistakes are going to come back to haunt you. So save yourself the heartache. Give us a call, 801-692-0032. We work nationwide. Leave the bookkeeping to the professionals. We will count the beans so that you can focus on your business. Leave the number crunching to us. Thanks, and I will talk to you again soon.